Hey everybody, how is your day? I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we will go through some of the basics of functional arguments. So now let's define function definition with required arguments. So let's say def square, and we will accept some numbers. And we will return number star 2. And we will call SQUARE the square function with just and pass 4 from here, that we will get 16. But the square function cannot be called with the arguments because it requires a number. Something needs to be put into the square function when we call it. So just test it without passing it, but it will give us some missing type error. Okay, but just right here. Okay. So there are functions with optional arguments. But let's say this one will give you a 0, defaulting with no input, just 0. But we can use an argument too to make it more flexible. Let's say int of 10, we will get 10. The input is just a string of 10, but as the output, it gives us the integer of 10 because int means integer, not floating, just integer. Okay. And another one we want to see is an optional argument uses a keyword argument. Let's say greetings for name Mary Smith. Let's print with the greetings for name. Okay, we just define the greetings. We got a keyword argument right here. So we can call this function greetings with or without the arguments because it has a default value, Mary Smith. If we just call this without any argument, it will give us greetings, Mary Smith. If we print, not print, if we just pass something like Batman, because I'm a DC fan, that's why let's call it Batman, and it will call Batman. So I just want another T right. Okay, it will return with the value Batman. The arguments always go before keyword arguments. Let's say format, greetings, name, comma, title. Let's say doctor, print, greetings, title and name. Format, greetings of Bob. So we will get name title is not defined. Okay. All right. Yeah. Dr. Bob. We just if we want to put into something like title equal to junior, we will get the junior Bob. We can also use the junior just junior or without the title equal. It will also works. Okay. Same thing. Okay. So there you go. That's how we work with function arguments. I hope you enjoy it. So see you in next video. Bye bye.